Donna from Boys and Girls Hairstyles. Today I have Rachel with me. Super fun friend. She is the life of every party around. So yeah, she's a sweetheart. And her haircut, super cute. This time it's so grown out. We was just trying to talk like, wait, what did we do? Did we leave it longer? Like, why is it so grown out? But it is so grown out. So her haircut's super fun. I want to show you guys. We are going to do a number 5 in the back to take this bulk out. So I'm just coming in, doing the number 5. Like I was explaining to Rachel, so the 5 is like, you know, finger cutting the back and then going back with it a little bit with the clippers to kind of tighten it up. So it's just easier to just take the number 5 through the back area. Okay, so we're gonna take that length. Yeah, it's gonna be so much easier for you to do. You're probably like, what do I do with all this hair? Because we was even going shorter with her last cut. And so this is really probably...
It's been really long.
Yeah, that has to be tough. Okay, so the top, she just likes it fun, spiky, messy. She does go 8 weeks in between. 7, last time we did 8, it was way too long. So we'll go 7. But yeah, so we want it obviously short enough to last. And usually it grows out fine. I mean, it's long, but it's not this long. So anyway, we're gonna shorten this up so it's easy for her. It was fun. We just did a color. I did 5N throughout the bottom and the sides in her front. And then I did some bleach, weaving it in with some 4R for the red-brown color in with the mix of the blonde. So you'll see that once we dry it. So that's a super fun color. And you can see I connect this, but we're gonna blend this a little bit better in a little bit. I will show you how to do that when we get to that part. But yeah, we've done a lot of haircuts with Rachel. It's been fun. Her hair grows so fast and she's not picky.
I'm up for anything.
So, yep, she's up for anything. Like I said, she's the life of the party. She really is. She is super fun. So, okay, so now we're gonna come on this side. You can see right there, the guide point. So I always just start in the middle up top for my guide point. And then I go from that point on. So you can see that to there are both guide points, and then you just take the length off in between. Okay. Oh, it just feels good like cutting all that off, Rach.
Yes, that's good.
Just because I know you're going to be like, okay, that's better.
That's great.
So after this, I am going to tell you guys a little story why we're going. But okay, we are going to come up here. Point cut. I love point cutting, especially with short hair. Totally helps. Okay. So I just held all the top up. And then what I'll do is she comes this way. So I'm gonna take by her ear and I'm going to take this length off. And you can tell I'm just coming around the head up to that top length up here in front. Okay, same thing here again. I'm going to come on this side, take this length, come around the ear. That was so long. It's like curling over your ears. What in the world? Oh, that's so crazy. I feel bad for you. You probably hated your haircut for the last 2 months. No, just kidding.
Just a week or two, I was done.
Yeah, I bet. Wow. Okay, I'm gonna hold her ear down with my comb. Take that length off. So you can see I'm just kind of combing it back this way. And then this way, I'm gonna go open and shut my shears just to take a little bit of that length off of the front there. Okay, and then we're gonna come over to this side. I'm gonna hold, you can see that my fingers are close to the scalp here and come out to that layer on the side. Okay, take that length. Okay, same thing, go right at the top of the ear, come down on the angle, and just make sure that's cleaned up. Okay, and then right here, up in, open and shut the shears, just so you can see there's different lengths through this area, just so it's not all one length in there. Okay, and then I'll come across the bang area. Okay, so super fun story real fast while we're doing this. Rachel and her friends jumped in a pond where we live in the freezing cold on leap year. So every 4 years they do that. And the video is just seriously so stinking cute. But that's what I'm telling you. She's just fun. She just likes to have fun. So that's what they do every 4 years with their friends. And anyway, it was crazy. Awesome. Yeah, freezing.
Yeah, a little cold.
But yeah, see, they just like to have fun. So you can see I'm just kind of holding this up, just point cutting into it, taking a tiny bit more length off, just through that area. All right, and now what we're gonna do is we're gonna blend that bottom part to where I cut right here. So you're gonna come in where it's tight, and then you're gonna pull this out a little bit and take this length. So the more the comb is towards the head, the more hair you're gonna take. So you're gonna wanna kind of hold that comb out to take less length at first, unless you need more. And then you can go back in and take more. But, I mean, you don't wanna take too much. You don't want like an indent up to the top. So that's what I mean by like bring in your comb and then hold it out a little bit. So it's not too short. And then you can just, you know, just take a little bit at a time if you need to. It's easier to do that than to make a big dent in it and make it too short in the top part. And that's faster. If you're just starting, you can take your clippers up like this. That way it's more controlled. Okay, so now the bottom, I'm just gonna have her put her head down, perfect. And then we're just gonna take this and clean this up. Okay, just gonna bring this up by her ear. I always like to comb the hair just to make sure that we're getting it all. Okay, and then over here, same thing. Just gonna take this off. Then comb the hair, make sure this is nice and clean up by the ear. Okay, and then on this bottom area, I'm just gonna bring this a little bit tighter. You can see I'm coming in, then I lift a little bit, just because she has a little bit of calyx back here. And with the calyx, you wanna come in and take a little bit of that hair out, just so by the time she gets back here, those parts aren't really long. So you just wanna keep those just a little bit tighter so the hair doesn't poke out. Okay, sweet. Now what we'll do is texturize. So I'm gonna take and gonna come through here. Especially where you blend, it's good to texturize through that area of where you're blending, because texturizing through that area can help blend also. Okay, so then I'm just coming up through here. Now Rachel has a lot of hair. It's more fine, but she has a lot of it. So that means it can get heavy really fast. So you do want more texture with hair that you have a lot of it, but it's fine because it just gets heavy fast. Okay, so I'm gonna just comb this out, and then through the ends, up through these, I'm just gonna take these chunky texturizing shears just to make it so there's more movement up through the top areas here. Okay. All right, now this is gonna be the fun part. Just combing it or drying it out so we can see what the finished result is. Okay, you doing good, Rach?
Yeah.
Okay, sweet. And then this way, you guys, if you see, you know, after you get done drying it and you want, you know, like the top shorter, the front shorter, you need more texture, you can see as soon as you dry it. So that's a fun part. Okay. Just doing some volume and lift spray. Okay. Now we'll just dry the back down. I just like to move my fingers when I'm blow drying it. Helps the hair dry faster and not so, it'll give it more volume the more you move your hair. So say you have thick, coarse hair or thick hair that you want more smooth, you won't be drying it like this, you'll do it more like this, drying like this. But if you do want movement or fullness, then the more movement, the better. If your hair is thick and you don't want that, then less movement is best. So, back and forth. You're gonna feel like a brand new person. Okay, sweet. Now I'm just gonna take through this top. I'm just gonna take the flat iron and just pull it straight up on all this top. And on the sides, just pull straight out. And the back straight up. So yeah, Rachel's heart. She works with a lot of special needs kids and they absolutely love her. That just shows you her heart. So anyway, she's definitely a sweetheart. Okay, so styling paste. I just dig my finger into the styling paste, rub it around good in my hands, and just grab the hair. Okay, I'm gonna turn her to the mirror a little bit so I can see what I'm doing. Haha, you're short again.
I like it.
Good, I'm glad.
It's good.
Good, I'm so glad. Okay, perfect. Now, just gonna back comb a little bit up through the top, and then I'll just spray and take the comb to kind of put it back in its spot, or in its place. So I just spray all around it, then I just take my comb, kind of pull at the hair, and just place it back into the place that you want it to go. Okay. Sorry, I have to come on this side now, look. Gosh, even your front was long. Like,
It was long.
it was just long. I guess we just wanted to cut it, you know, back off, I guess.
Yeah.
Another full new style. Okay, super cute, Rach. Thank you for letting us record it. And you guys, I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for everything and all the messages. It means a lot. And I just have fun doing this. So thanks for, excuse me, letting me share this experience with you. And I love it. So please like, share, and subscribe. And we'll chat next time. See ya.